Oh, ka pai.
See you later. Love yous.
Yeah.
Great day.
Where are we going today?
We're going to Splash Planet today and I'm really excited. That's why I have a big smile on my face.
Yeah. Look at these guys taking up all the parks and under the shade. Yeah, pucky pucky. Oh, you go. All good's cool. All good's cool. Yeah. How was it?
We didn't get to go.
Oh.
Hi guys. Today we're just going back home, but we're gonna come back here. You can see it's clear water.
Yeah.
But you can't wet the phone.
So out of 10, 10 being really good and 1 being not so good, what do you rate today? 10 is mean and 1 is not very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
10.
So you give today a 10?
But what's the 10? What did I do naughty again?
No, it's not a naughty. 10 means really good and 1 means not very good. Like how much did you enjoy today?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12.
Oh, so 12. You give it a 12. A 12. Alright. Well, that's us. Ka kite.
Happy day.
Ka kite Splash Planet.